Good morning. Okay. I don't know what temperature it is outside, but I woke up feeling beachy lagoon vibes. Okay, again, I don't really know what that means, but okay. We have our Crocs and a fish. We're gonna make a beach lagoon smoothie because banana. Ooh. Coconut yogurt? Because I love coconut. Everything. Coco-Yo. Coco-Yo, go off. What do you mean you're done blending? I'm not gonna lie, this blender kind of sucks. But you can't get mad when you're at the beach. I don't think I put this in there. Sacred Life Blue Kombucha. Do you see what I'm saying? This tastes really good. Next time I think I would just do like a vanilla banana base. So it was really white and creamy, the base, and then put the blue on top. Mmm. What a vibe. Okay, little beach picnic. I wish my plate could be like right here. Oh my god, I'm gonna tip backwards. Tipping backwards at the beach. It's because the sand is uneven. Hey, we really chilling. Oh, almost. Hot sauce, beach lagoon smoothie, and a turkey Sammy. Hello, me and Nemo are in heaven right now. Okay. Bye.